So now let's talk about the elements in prompts. Okay, so now in simple, elements in prompts means how you have to or what elements you have to put while you chat, or while you talk to AI, or while you, I can say, put prompts in any of the LLM models like ChatGPT. In simple, general people or 80% of the people, what they will going to do, they will just type generate 5 YouTube titles for my video. But any expert prompt engineer will going to put the prompt like this. You can see on the screen. Okay, here if I will just show you, like here we have just created for you. Okay, so any expert will going to write the prompt like this, like you are an expert in writing YouTube viral titles. Okay, so 80% of the general public will write like this, but experts will going to write their prompt, okay, like this, like you are an expert in writing viral YouTube titles, or you are expert in SEO, okay, or you are an expert in anything else. Okay, so make sure that whenever you write prompts, so make sure that you first define role to the AI. Okay, so first concept you have to understand is that you have to give a role, like you are an SEO expert, like you are a drawing expert, like you are like you are an research expert. Okay, so similarly we have given one role here, you are an expert in writing viral YouTube titles. Okay, then my friends, you have to give or provide details to AI, like think of a catchy attention grabbing titles that will encourage people to click and watch the video. The title should be short, concise and direct. They should also be creative and clever. Okay, so here I am providing details to AI, that what type of prompt or what type of prompt response or output I want. Okay, so according to that, AI will going to generate the output for us. And then my friends, always remember, you can just give or ask question, let it ask question, like you can say like this, if you have any questions about the video, ask before you try to generate titles. Okay, so in this way my friends, you have to write your prompt. Okay, so if you will write this type of prompt, so you will basically going to make AI understand what you want actually. Okay, and now if you will just click on this enter button, so just see the result. Now you can see that it is saying absolutely I understand your request, please provide me with more information about the video content so I can generate catchy attention grabbing YouTube titles that align with your video themes. Okay, the more details you provide, the better I can tailor the titles to your video. Okay, so I can just say like online business. Okay, I can say something like this. Okay, online business, let's say. So now got it. Okay, so it will going to create 5 catchy YouTube titles that is related to online business. So in this way my friends, you have to work. So this is one example we have given you how you have to write prompts. Okay, so make sure that you define 3 things, that give a role, provide details and also ask question. Okay, like the like we have done here. Okay,